trouble using Instagram account, then in today's video, I'm gonna guide you with the step-by-step process on how you can easily fix this issue. So the very first thing you wanna do is to head over to the Safari and check whether the server is down or not. Once you're inside Safari, in the address bar, search for Instagram outage. Now you need to head over to the very first site. Click on it. In this page, you can check whether the server is down or not. Right now, there is no any problem with Instagram. But when you search for it and the server is down, then all you gotta do is wait for the server to get fixed and then you'll be good to go. After that, check whether the internet connection is working properly or not. If the internet is working properly, then you'll be good to go, or else try using cellular data as well. After that, move into the App Store on your device. You have to check whether the application is up to date or not. So search for Instagram. Move into this app right here. If you see the option of update, then click on update and update the app. Once done, move into the settings. Inside settings, head over to general and then move into iPhone storage. Search for Instagram and click on it. Tap on offload app. Once again, click on offload app. It will clear the cache and the storage of the application. It will also remove all of the unwanted bugs and make your application run smoothly. This should also fix the issue that you have been facing, and then you'll be good to go. So that's the end of the video. If this video really helped you, give it a like and check out our next tutorial. Thank you.